Today we're making a potato cannon. Well, we hope our faces don't get blown off.
Push it down.
3, 2, 1.
All right, welcome to Mighty Things. Today we're gonna be building and shooting off a potato cannon. Now this uses PVC pipes that you can get at Home Depot or your local home improvement store, and you'll be able to build it in your garage with your kids in just a couple of hours. Now this can be fairly dangerous, so adult supervision is required, but if you're careful, it's a lot of fun. So definitely recommend you follow along with us, and if you like what you see, get out and give it a try for yourself. Let's do it. We'll put a full list in the description, but pretty much everything you need is in the plumbing department. All right guys, so since we are men here, we cannot ask for help or directions at all. Okay, that's just a core rule. I'm looking for a cap that will screw into this. Do you know if you have that size? I think it's 4. Is it 3? Okay, right here. So this is going to be a small problem. We got a nice redneck solution here. All right, so here's what we're gonna do today. We are building a potato cannon. So there's a couple of different parts. You have the barrel, which is our 2-inch pipe that we got, the really long one. Then we have this place right here, the chamber where the gas will ignite. So what we do is we're gonna put either hairspray, which has butane in it, or starter fluid. We'll let it evaporate a little bit. Then we're gonna push our igniter. It's gonna make a spark like in a car engine. That's gonna cause an explosion. Do you know what happens when something explodes? Yeah, so the molecules are gonna expand really fast.
And go out.
And they only have one direction to go. So it's gonna shoot our potato out the end of the gun. Let's do it.
Let's make that 4.5.
Perfect. All right, next up we're gonna make our chamber 18. See 18? There you go.
Don't put the...
So, as my grandfather used to say, it's good enough for government work. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put glue around it, and then you'll put this, you'll slide it on, okay? But we have to do it fast because the glue dries pretty quick. And I have to put quite a bit on here because it's so big. Slide it on. All right, go ahead and slide that piece on, and push. Cool. Okay, Jack, we're ready.
Good.
So you wanna be about a foot away, and then push down the top. Nice, and then stop.
Yeah.
So next, we need to put our igniter in there. Now we're gonna put our epoxy in to make sure no gas escapes. I'm putting a screw in here so that when we force a potato down the barrel, it won't drop into our chamber here. All right, we are here at the football field and we're gonna experiment with our potato cannon. We're gonna see how far it goes. We're gonna try to measure velocity, altitude, and we're also gonna do some fun stunts like putting a camera in it and see if that survives. So stay with us and let's see how this goes.
All right, so what we're gonna do is measure out every 30 feet. We're gonna put a cone down. 9, 10, here you go.
Kind of peel it a little bit to make it fit in there. Perfect. And you can see there's still tension. Push it down. All right, so we're gonna do 2 quick squirts of the starter fluid. Cap on. Shake it around a little bit.
It's gonna blow up! I don't wanna die! 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Oh, wow.
That cleared the field.
Yeah, nice. Let's go see where it went. Don't move it yet, guys. We gotta be scientific here. It landed right here, which is about, like, what's that, 15 feet past this end zone here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice,
Wow,
guys.
All right, so we want to stick a camera down the barrel. So we built this little contraption on a potato, and we have a micro camera. We're gonna stick it in this tube and then ram it down in there and see if we can get a cool flying shot. Okay, still recording.
Okay.
Right.
Oh my.
All right, baby, here we go.
All right, everybody, line up over here.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah. All right, go find it. Go find it.
The camera.
My camera.
I don't know if it survived that.
Yeah, I don't.
It was tumbling. Is it in there still? Uh-oh.
Oh, I'm.
Is the camera gone? Okay, we'll find
Shoot,
it.
let's look around.
I found it. Oh my gosh, we actually got the shot.
Oh, we did?
Yes, it's still filming.
Oh, nice.
All right, hold on, hold
right.
on. Hello.
I do not have the cap.
And guard that with your life.
I know.
Okay?
All right, so we're gonna try
Oh no.
putting our altimeter in and then duct taping it.
That's kind of sketchy.
Let's see if that works. Say goodbye to the altimeter. Here we go. Yeah, I think it'll work.
Alright, grandfather coming. The duct tape the potato.
So the trick seems to be one super quick burst.
Stand back.
This may or may not explode in your face.
Okay, mortar round 1. Here we go.
3,
2, 1.
Yeah, that's really high. That's way up there. Here it comes. Watch out.
It's Spudnik. Spudnik has returned. All right, let's get a reading.
It says
462 feet. Now
No
that I will
way.
believe.
Nice.
That's nuts.
I estimated 500, so I called
There you
it.
go, you get the jelly beans. All right, so these potato cannons are a lot of fun to play with, as you can probably tell. But yeah, if you would like to try building a potato cannon, it's actually really easy. Take a look at the link in our description below, and we have a guide there with all the measurements and materials that you'll need. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. We're gonna be putting out more content like it on a weekly basis. And until next time, get out there and do some mighty things.